Originally opened back in 1997 as PlayStation The Ride, later becoming Ice Blast in the year 2000. Very shortly the reimagined Ice Blast will be reopening at Pleasure Beach Resort as Launchpad. With a brand new pressure cylinder installed, promising a more forceful and thrilling experience, riders will be launched vertically at speeds of up to 80 miles an hour, reaching a height of 210 feet. It really is a hive of activity on site at Pleasure Beach at the moment, with the engineering teams busily testing the ride and running through all the safety procedures, and the carpentry team building a brand new wooden framework to support the new graphics for the ride. With its striking new colour scheme and new pressure cylinders, this is definitely going to be the best version of this ride that the park's ever had. I hope to bring you lots more information about the new ride following its opening, and hopefully we'll be able to take you along for the ride's launch event. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.